Hello everyone. Today I am here with discussion of water pollution. So what is water pollution? Water pollution is the contamination of any water body like lakes, groundwater, ocean, etc. with chemicals and bacteria that degrades the quality of water and its purity. This is called as water pollution. So in simple language we can tell that contamination of water is called as water pollution, or mixing of unwanted thing in water is called as water pollution. So, what are causes of water pollution? Water pollution is mainly caused by waste thrown into it, but it can also be caused as a chain reaction from soil pollution and air pollution. It can spread when water from different sources flow together. Oil spills and industrial waste spills contaminating groundwater also causes water pollution. Acid rains, which is cause of air pollution, that is also a reason of water pollution. So altogether, contamination of water because of waste and throwing waste in the water bodies, or oil spills from ships, these all are reasons of water pollution. Now we will discuss effects. What are effects of water pollution? Actually, water pollution decreases the quality of available water. It can lead to waterborne diseases. It also reduces water supply from crop rotation. Oil spills in water causes suffocation to aquatic life as oil forms a layer on the water surface. When the oil forms a layer on the water surface, it is very difficult to breathe by aquatic animals. So they started dying. So the oily air doesn't allow air to be dissolved in water, which is required by aquatic organism to breathe. Groundwater contamination from pesticides causes damage of wildlife in the ecosystem. So altogether, water pollution creates so many diseases also, and it leads to death of many aquatic as well as other animals also. Here one term is eutrophication. So now we will discuss what is eutrophication. Excessive nutrient in a lake or other water bodies, usually caused by runoff nutrients, means animal waste, fertilizers, sewage, etc. from the land, can cause a dense growth of plant life. Means if there is excessive nutrient is present in water, there is a excessive growth of plant life. The growth of plants in water body depletes the supply of oxygen, leading to the death of aquatic animals. This is known as eutrophication. So these all are the regions of water pollution and effects of water pollution. So excessive nutrients and excessive plant growth are also reason of death of aquatic animal, and this is called as eutrophication. So I hope it is clear to all of you what are causes of what is water pollution, what are causes of water pollution, and what is effects of water pollution. Thank you all for today. In next class we will discuss about noise pollution.